Hi everyone, Marie here. So this is just a short message to all the mothers in the world, as well as all the Fluentella family mothers. Here's a little something for you. So I think each one of us has some motherly instincts, regardless of our age or religion or gender or our marital status. So whether you take care of someone else, or you have fur babies, or you tend a garden, or you just love somebody, I hope all of you have a wonderful Mother's Day. Then just a little something to my own mother. Ma, ek sê dit definitief nie genoeg nie, maar as ek eendag net die helfte so goeie ma kan wees, sal dit 'n wonderwerk wees. Dankie vir almal se liefde, omgee en standvastigheid deur al die jare. Sonder ma sou ek nie gewees het waar ek vandag is nie. Geseënde Moedersdag.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you always, forever. You are the best mom. First my mother, forever my friends. You are my best friends. I miss you when we are not together.
Gracias por todo lo que hacen, por toda la limpieza y las ricas comidas que han hecho. Feliz Día de las Madres.
Happy Mother's Day to all our Fluentella moms. We appreciate you and we love you.
母亲节快乐！你是最好的妈妈，谢谢你一直身边支持我，我爱你，妈妈。
Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing, loving, selfless women who inspire and support us to be better people every day. I hope you all have a fantastic day.
So I wish that all the moms in the world would have a special Mother's Day.
Feliz Día de las Madres a todas nuestras superhéroes. Las queremos, las amamos, las admiramos. Gracias por tanto. Besos, muchos besos. Happy Mother's Day.
亲爱的妈妈，祝您母亲节快乐！我爱你。
My mother is a true Italian Wonder Woman. She taught me that if you want to change your life, nothing can stop you. You just need to be hopeful and optimistic. There are always options and possibilities. She's strong, inspirational, brave, and young at heart. Happy Mother's Day, Mama!